Pull on the mantle.
Game starts in 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh.
Really? You see Dave, right?
Yep.
RPK duels.
Whoa.
No, woods are in play, Dylan.
Left side.
Left side? What's on the left?
People, what do you think?
Wait, on the left side of the kill house, you mean?
Yeah.
But there's a friendly right there.
No, there's people shooting me.
No, but I'm saying like one of our friendlies is in there.
On the kill house?
Yeah, on the left side. He was just in the woods.
Oh, we got guys over here.
No, somebody ran up too.
I think he died.
Oh shit.
Okay, where are they? Whoa.
Oh shit. There's that little hole in the wall too. Watch that. I forgot about that.
Hey, Dylan.
Yeah?
They're on the left side here.
Okay. Want to take the kill house?
I'm game with that. Glenn, building right in front of you. Watch. I think Dave's in there. If not, he's in the woods on your right. You want to take kill house?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll be back for that.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Clear.
Way to let him know we're here. Dylan! Dylan! Get up here!
Coming! Where? Where? Boat?
Boat.
Got him.
Good shot.
Okay. One, that's Dave, straight in front of us, the pink building.
Is it? Dave's in
Yeah.
there?
It's been a while since I've been hit in the head by a 3-0. You really feel it smack your skull.
Sean's right in front of us at the wood building.
Okay, well Dylan, I'm dropping your MP9. It's out of gas. Hello. Whoops, sorry Joe.
Want me to throw a grenade?
I don't got one.
Damn.
I don't got one. We never loaded him, remember?
Yeah, hold on.
He's right here. Yo, Dylan, get back! You missed him. You missed, there's a guy there.
Joe?
No, respawned.
Yeah, Joe. I got Nick.
Hold on, I'm getting Jack.
Got Joe. One down.
Is Sean still here?
No, I got him.
You wanna move up? Come here, Dylan. Back at the boat.
Coming.
No full auto.
You can't shoot through that fence!
Shit, Dylan, barricade in front of me, pink building. Close one. Fucking. Fuck. Ricochet hits. Love them. Dylan? No, I'm asking if you got a shot on him. He just ricocheted one off the barricade in front of me though. Shit. Fuck. I'm not doing this again.
Anyone on the left?
I don't know.
Right.
Yeah.
Any on the left?
Not that I know of.
Yeah, there's definitely one.
Now you start the cycle. Come on. Better. Dude, that's friendly. Come on. Oh, you are? Oh, oh, never mind.
Wait a minute, I don't have any Hajjis on my team.
If I'm getting shot at from behind at that point, I was like, oh, that's friendly. Sneaky. Okay, so it's cycling again. I'm gonna fix it, but it's being a bitchy little handgun right now.
Let me see your camera.
You were in the woods? Yeah, and I was in the woods across from you.
So Dylan, I think they're in the embassy again. Not the embassy, the kill house.
No, I can't let this happen.
What?
I can't let Mitch's daughter get pinned down. On the
Are you fucking serious?
Oh, hey! Almost good.
Yeah, come on. Warn me next time. Come on, Dylan. Oh, Glenn, friendly. Shit.
There's one around the corner of my chair.
You got hit through the bunker, kid. Oh, there's another. Got one, there's another.
You safe when we go across?
Glenn, come here.
Yeah.
Cover me. Watch. Just keep shooting the cover.
That little hole?
Yep, just shoot. No, just shoot the cover itself. Put him down. Okay. Hey, you're out? No, you are not. Gotcha. No, he's still there.
Bang down, you're dead.
No, you're not, Ashley.
How fucking good would that be?
Surrender. Both of you. Yep, you got me.